So Corey is out and Fabian Reed, the Arnett Garden legend, replaces him. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for joining. Hopefully you guys are doing good. It has been a wonderful week of football so far. The World Cup is right around the corner. World Cup qualifiers is right at our heels. Big up on yourself, people. So, as you know, the squad has been announced over the weekend, and there has been some adjustments to the squad where we see Corberg coming out and also Fabian Reed coming in. Now, there's quite, well, it's not, for me personally, it doesn't really matter which player's in. I do think that so far I'm okay with the squad. I don't know. I do believe that a lot of persons still not wrap their head around the squad yet. You what? Forgetting that, we have to do the YouTube stuff. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button. If you're here for the first time, subscribe to the channel. You can also become a member of the channel as well by hitting that join button. Now, there's also another way to support us is by buying us a coffee. Link is in the description and also in the pinned comment section. So, Arnett Garden legend Fabian Reed has now joined up back with the Reggae Boyz squad. For those who don't know, he's not a new face to the national setup. So let me just read out to you. Fabian Reed has replaced Corberg in the Reggae Boyz squad for the upcoming World Cup qualifiers against the Dominican Republic on June 6th and Dominica on June 9th. Reed's last appearance for Jamaica came against Trinidad and Tobago in March 2024. Reed 10 caps for the Reggae Boyz and has scored 3 goals in the process. So he is a known goal scorer for the Reggae Boyz. As I said, not a new face. And imagine 10 caps, 3 goals. Hey, no, I'm not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. I think nothing is wrong with that. Another new face in a long time to join up, and it's quite easy to because the squad is already in Jamaica. Go out. I do think that a lot of persons are gonna ask about Javier Bryan, who many don't know at this moment is technically nursing an injury. Another question would also be, the questions will be asked, but I do think that the coach is going with people who have already played at this level, would have understand what's going on at this level. Not saying that the other players couldn't come and make a good account for themselves, but I do believe the coach is going for more experience in this matter. So a prolific goal scorer in the Jamaica Premier League has joined up with the national team. Don't think that's a bad thing at all. Nevertheless, we move on because you don't know anything. Game of a player, football now, something, none at all. And I do believe that this is not good representation for the Jonglist. They have 2 players now in it. Their captain and also their golden boy in Kyle Dixon. Captain in Fabian Reed and their golden boy in Kyle Dixon. So you know that we might see quite a few Jonglists at the stadium this time around because wherever the Jonglist goes, the supporters goes as well. Especially the fact that it's their captain. I know Fabian Reed has a big support base, and I do believe that we might see some supporters coming out. We know Kyle Dixon has his own support base as well. So I don't know, say the supporters done by Juggle will be coming out in their numbers, and I think that's a good look. That's most definitely a good look. Anyways, let me just run the promo music as from now. So listening, people, listening. Wanted to listen this. Let's go.
Club 26 champion, come and see the RBGSC, the Reggae Boy Girls Support Club, sponsored by the Reggae Boys community, starting at 3 p.m. Come for the music vibes, come for the football juggling, come for the drone, come and see RBGSC band marching and playing. Come and see more. Special giveaway for the kids.
To that, people, so come out early, come support. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for joining. Massive respect. It has certainly been a good one. Hit the like button. don't know anything already, join the channel by becoming a member, and also you can support us by hitting the follow up on the buy a coffee link that you'll see in the comment section and also in the description of the video. Thank you very much, people, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV, we're out. God bless. Enjoy the rest of the day. Boom.